My new acoustic panels just arrived and I have to show you how amazing they are. The very first thing you're going to have to figure out is when you get them, they are in one box and put into a second. This is the secondary box. Now, one thing that you need to realize, it has these on the corners of the box. So do yourself a favor, because the corners fit like this, okay, on each corner. So I took a razor blade and very carefully took these off the corner so that you could get to the material in the box. And what you're going to do is you're going to very carefully cut the tape that's on the box, open both sides of the box and push from this side so it'll push the acoustic panels out. See? And then you've got them free from the box. It took me a minute, so I thought I'd just share that one. This is my workroom in here. You can tell it's very obviously a workroom. Got my cutting tables and everything. I run a charity. And the panels are really good for cutting the sound. Now, you've got the panels out of the box, but you want to get them without doing more damage. Just get the corner. Can you see what I'm doing here? I'm going to push it up like this. You're going to take the scissors and you're just going to push like this. See? That's very simple and easy, right? Okay, and then you'll be able to slide out the first panel. I'm going to move it so you can see what it is I'm doing. These are very, very well made. They're acoustic panels so that all the noise that is going on in other areas, and I have a lot of areas around here that's working, it will deaden all the sound. Look, there's two colors you can get. This one is called cinnamon. The other one is white. This is really a nice, pleasant color. I wish you could feel it. It feels good. The one thing that I really like about this is it's so simple to install. Look at the back of this. You know what this is? That is adhesive tape. So all you're going to have to do is go to the corner, flip this up. Let's see how easy it is. Oh, super simple. Okay, look at this. Ta-da! You're going to pull this off. Can you see me doing that? Pull this off, and you're going to take this panel. For right now, I'm just going to put it like this. And you're going to stick it up wherever it is you want, like this, either this way or tall, and just push, and it's just going to press this onto the wall. And you have 10 of these panels. Look how many. Fabulous for the price. They work really well. They absorb the sound. They're so easy to install. There's no problem. And all you need to do to get them out of the box is get your pair of scissors and very carefully. But like I said, with the box, when it comes like this, you're going to cut this side open, cut the other side open, and then you're just going to push with your hand and all of the panels will come out very, very well. Super simple, super easy. You're going to really love it. The other thing I was going to mention about it, takes me just 1 second here, is it has good sound absorption. They're flame retardant, very important. They actually are made out of high polyester, and the best thing is, boy, that is the most simple, easiest thing to install ever. Love them. I give this 5 out of 5. Really, really like it. Love the quality, and I'm so impressed with the way they packed it. They were really, really packed extremely well. And I'm going to put a link below where you can go get some for yourself.